Is your crypto safe? It's a question we all ask ourselves, especially when entrusting our hard-earned digital assets to an exchange. In the wild west of cryptocurrency, where fortunes can be made and lost overnight, security is paramount. And today, we're diving deep into a name you've likely heard, Gemini. Is Gemini Exchange safe? That's the burning question we're tackling. Cryptocurrency exchanges are the gateways to the digital asset world. They're where we buy, sell, and often store our Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto holdings. But they're also prime targets for hackers. We've all seen the headlines: exchange hacks, stolen funds, and shattered trust. So, naturally, we need to be vigilant. We need to scrutinize the security measures of any exchange we consider using. Gemini has positioned itself as a security-first platform, emphasizing regulation and institutional-grade infrastructure. But is that just marketing hype, or does Gemini truly live up to its reputation? Let's unpack it. First, let's talk about regulation. Gemini is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange operating in the United States. This is a big deal. Regulation means oversight. It means adhering to certain financial standards and security protocols. It means a degree of accountability that unregulated exchanges simply don't have. Gemini is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS, a demanding regulator known for its rigorous oversight of financial institutions. This regulatory framework provides a layer of protection and instills a degree of confidence. But regulation alone isn't a silver bullet. We need to look under the hood. What specific security measures does Gemini employ? This is where things get interesting. Gemini boasts a number of robust security features. They utilize multi-factor authentication, MFA, which is a crucial first line of defense against unauthorized access. MFA means that even if someone gets your password, they'll still need a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone, to access your account. Gemini also emphasizes cold storage for the majority of its users' digital assets. Cold storage means keeping the cryptocurrencies offline, disconnected from the internet, making them virtually impervious to hacking. This is a significant security measure, as it dramatically reduces the risk of online theft. Think of it like storing your valuables in a bank vault rather than leaving them out in the open. Beyond cold storage, Gemini employs various other security measures, including encryption, access controls, and regular security audits. They also have a bug bounty program, encouraging security researchers to find and report vulnerabilities in their system, further strengthening their defenses. Another key aspect of Gemini's security is its focus on institutional clients. They offer institutional-grade custody solutions, catering to large investors and financial institutions. This focus on institutional security translates to a robust and reliable platform for all users, including retail investors. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. No system is completely impenetrable. No security is foolproof. Even with all the measures in place, the possibility of a security breach, however small, always exists. This is the reality of the digital world. But the question isn't whether a risk exists, but rather how the exchange mitigates that risk and how it responds to potential incidents. Gemini has a strong track record when it comes to security. To date, they have not experienced any major security breaches or loss of customer funds. This is a testament to their security infrastructure and the dedication they place on protecting their users' assets. However, past performance is not indicative of future results. We must remain vigilant and informed. So, is Gemini Exchange safe? Based on our analysis, Gemini appears to be a secure platform. Their regulatory compliance, robust security measures, and track record suggest that they take security seriously. The emphasis on cold storage, multi-factor authentication, and institutional-grade infrastructure provides a strong foundation for protecting user funds. However, it's crucial to remember that security is an ongoing process, not a destination. The threat landscape is constantly evolving, and exchanges must continuously adapt and improve their security measures to stay ahead of potential threats. As users, we also have a role to play in ensuring our own security. We should always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams and other online threats. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Gemini or any other exchange rests with you. Do your own research. Understand the risks involved. And choose a platform that you feel comfortable with. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider diversifying your holdings across multiple reputable exchanges and, if possible, storing a significant portion of your crypto in a hardware wallet, which gives you complete control over your private keys. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.